Hi, third grade, it's Mrs. McMahon. Today I'm going to give you a tutorial using the site Photos for Class, which gives us free images that you can use for your animal adaptations poster. So the first thing I want to do is I want to search that Photos for Class. And it'll bring me to the site. And we want to just search up the name of your animal. So I'm going to use manatee, which is my example. And all of these thumbnails are just small pictures of the images that you can use that are free for you. So looking through, I actually like the first one because remember I need a horizontal picture. I also want to have the animal's whole body. So right now I'm going to click on the download button. And remember that since we're in Google Chrome, our downloads actually are going to appear in the bottom left. So I want you guys to actually click and drag that to your desktop. I'm just going to move my window over a little bit. So now you can see the name of my file. It's a whole bunch of random numbers. And I'm just going to have us rename it Manatee. So rename it the name of your animal. And now what we can do is when we open our Google Slides, we can just drag this picture in. All right, let's give it a try.